In this video, you'll learn how to turn off dark mode in the Perplexity AI web version. By following these steps, you will be able to switch to a lighter theme that may be easier on the eyes in well-lit environments. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Perplexity AI website. You should see the main interface of Perplexity AI once the page has fully loaded. Next, look for the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically represents your account settings. Click on the profile icon to open the account menu. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Preferences. This will direct you to the settings related to your account and application preferences. In the Preferences section, look for the Appearance option. Click on this to access the theme settings. This section allows you to customize how the application looks, including the color theme. Under the theme settings, you will see options for dark, light, and system themes. Select Light to turn off dark mode. Once you make this selection, the interface should immediately change to a lighter color scheme, making it easier to read in bright conditions. After you have selected the light theme, there may be a brief moment as the interface updates. Ensure that the change has taken effect before closing the Preferences menu. You should now see the Perplexity AI interface in its new light mode. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.